Hello, everyone. If your downloads folder or any folder like documents, pictures, or music is not opening or showing not responding on Windows 11, here's a simple way to fix it. This issue usually happens due to system file corruption, but we can fix it using two built-in tools. Step 1. Run DISM scan. Click the search icon and type CMD. Right-click on Command Prompt and select Run as Administrator, then click Yes. In the command prompt window, type the following command and press Enter. dism.exe/online/cleanupimage/restore health. This will scan and repair your system. It may take a few minutes, so let it complete. Once it's done, restart your computer. Step 2. Run SFC scan. After restarting, open Command Prompt as Administrator again. Now type SFC/scannow and press Enter. This will check for and fix any corrupted system files. Again, wait for it to finish. Once completed, restart your computer one more time. After these steps, open File Explorer and try accessing your Downloads folder again. It should work normally. And that's it. Your folder not responding issue should be fixed.